Hey, just a video for a product review. We've been doing a few of these just intermittently, sporadically throughout the life of this channel. It seems to be something that I keep coming back to, whether it's looking at a type of Bible that I'm digging into, or a planner for the calendar year coming up, or even for something like this right here, which is a mic that I reviewed just a few months ago. It seems to be something that continually gets some hits as far as YouTube searches for the Audigo mic. Shout out to them. They've been super cool for all the music videos I do. A really great microphone to use to just mic up and quickly capture things like this, or music videos, whatever, podcasts. The sky's kind of the limit. So anyway, today we are looking at the Sudotack Ultrafit open ear air conduction headphones for sports. This just sort of came about through an email. The folks at Sudotack reached out and said, just doing the stuff that you do with reviews and whatnot, would you be willing to unbox one of these and just kind of review it for us? And so I said, sure. This is great to have a free pair of earbuds, headphones that I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of. And this video is literally the first time I've taken a whole lot of effort to look at this product. It came a few weeks ago. I've been kind of in and out and busy with getting other things done, and so haven't been able to sit down and really look at these. So I just kind of wanted to make it a fresh sort of thing where as I'm opening it, I'm seeing it for the first time just like you are, and looked at a few other product review videos out there on these, and so got some feedback. Just some things before we dig into this. I wanted to look at the kind of detailed information that they sent over with these in the email, some things to just kind of keep in mind, and then we'll get into the product itself here. The Sudotack, they're ultra comfortable and secure fit, non-intrusive design, and soft ear hooks. Allow for just less stress on your ears, which I am all about. Something that doesn't cause irritation, something that's soft, and it's also something that doesn't go right into the ear canal. Kind of lays across, and to reduce stress, reduce risk of hearing loss from extended wear. And I am all about that. If these are really what they say they are, that's a huge win for me, because I think the way we're wearing earbuds all the time and having these things right into our ear canals, it's not good for our hearing. It's an unhealthy thing. And so, especially for younger people, protect your hearing, protect your ears. If you're out running, if you're out doing whatever, it seems like everybody's always wearing a pair of earbuds, but are we doing the safest thing for our ears that we can? Sudotack might be onto something here. So, unmatched comfort and safety for sports, that's great. Enhanced awareness, so kind of with that open ear concept of the headphones, you're also aware of traffic, noises around you, conversations, pedestrians, things like that. So while you're listening to music or a podcast or whatever, you're not so embedded and ingrained in that you can't understand or see what's going around you. They kind of allow that open ear concept. Up to 30 hours companionship and digital display, their Bluetooth connection, and a fast charging Type-C cable. Recharges in just 2 hours, allowing for more than 7 hours of play on a single charge, which can be boosted to more than 30 hours in the charging box. So that's huge. I'd imagine that's well past a lot of other earbuds and headphones as far as charging time and then what life you get out of them. And just a couple other things: open listening, bye-bye boredom, it says. You can stay plugged into the real world while listening to that great sound on your music. And immersive sound and clear communication. 16.2 millimeter large carbon fiber dynamic driver headphones. deliver powerful bass, clear mids, and bright highs. So all those frequencies are going to come through, and you're going to enjoy your listening experience. That's all from the folks at Sudotack, the kind of the spec sheet that they sent over with these. So I want to switch our view, and we'll look at the box a little bit as we open these. And obviously, it's a little hard to get the full picture because you're not hearing what I'm hearing, you're not feeling what I'm hearing, but I'm going to try to describe as much as I can for you so that as you go and look at these on Amazon or wherever, you can kind of have an idea of what your money's going to get you. Okay, taking a look at that box, the display on the front there has says a 30-hour playing time, comfort fit, talked about all that. They look like that. On the side, there's some different things about kind of the active wear, sports type of things, you know, running, cycling, fitness, bouldering, which I'm not sure what that might mean with the Chinese translation there, camping. Bouldering is something I'm going to have to look up what that is. And this is a version, it's called 5.3 version of these. Has an LED display for your battery life, your battery percentage, and then there's touch control, a max of 10 meters in range, I guess with your source there, with the Bluetooth, has a metal case, dual mic, noise cancellation for calls. Final side has all of these things on there, the model, the driver, 16.2 millimeter battery capacity, playtime 7 hours, 30 hours with the case, charge time is 1.5 to 2 hours, showing us all the things there with kind of the specs, some of that technical stuff. And then different colors. I think these are going to be the black ones, but there are some cool options there, especially maybe ladies, if you're more into a pink or green type of color, that's cool. Maybe you just want the standard white. So those are all available. And then on the back side, we have a picture of someone wearing them. Got the barcode there. Just some technical stuff there. Sudotack.com if you want to look into those a little bit more directly from their website. But these are on Amazon, and last I checked, I'll put a link in the description for this video, but last I checked, $49.99 is the price on there. So we're going to pull the lid off of here, and I'm doing everything with kind of one hand on the phone, on the camera, and one hand pulling everything out of the box here. So we've got this first, just talking about that design feature, the ergonomic, lightweight design, comfortable, kind of just some details about all of that. And you can activate your warranty on this, probably something I'll do at some point. And what we have is the case that's kind of shrink wrapped there, or a little plastic protective wrap around it. That's in the box. We've got, and that's all padded with some good foam padding there. It feels really secure. Feels like, you know, if you're going to get this in an Amazon package or something like that, it's going to be safe inside of the box. So some peace of mind there. I'm going to kind of pull that out, and let's see. Just the owner's manual kind of thing there, user manual, put that to the side. And here, I'm guessing we've got some kind of a cable that's going to be for charging. And with one hand, I don't think I'm going to be able to get that open, so I'm just going to leave that at the moment. Okay, pretty self-explanatory there. We've got the USB to USB-C charging cable, and then the case here itself, which opens up and looks like that. So we've got some good protection there again on those. You've got your charging port on the back side there, and these just pop out and look like that. I'll try to get a good clear shot there. Sudotack on the side. This feels really soft and it's rubbery, but it's something that feels like it won't be hard on a person's ear with like extended wear, and yeah, that just loops around obviously and goes over. I'll give you a shot of that here in a minute. But first impressions are with the case and just the way everything's packaged. It looks very professional. It looks like they did a great job, and a lot of thought was put into just presentation of when you first open this up and start taking everything out. That it looks like a quality product. It doesn't look like something that's going to be cheap. That's going to be kind of not worth your money and your investment. It's going to be something that hopefully is durable, just based upon all the things that they're marketing, saying, hey, this is going to be for sports and activities, walking, running, whatever. And first impression I have is that, yeah, it's going to live up to that. So that's a good thing. I think Sudotack put a lot of effort into just making sure that things look good on the onset. Just wanted to show you this charging case here. Comes and it's all at 100% already. You can see that green little display blinking there. I assume that just means it's charging and plugged in. So got that connected via the USB-C connection there, and just so you have an idea of what that looks like as they sit in the case with that digital display there. Okay, here's where the kind of modeling of the product comes in, just showing you guys what these look like in terms of fit and just how they appear. You can tell the that ear part just kind of wraps over on both of those. Feels pretty secure. Feels like they're not gonna get loose and come off. And then that little piece that just kind of lays right over the ear. It's not pointing into the ear canal. Sound is just kind of across it, and to me that feels like just kind of a good fit, healthy level of volume and everything. And I'm gonna just show you again back to this user manual. That was just helpful in terms of powering these on and off. It was easy to pair them. I'm just playing something on an old iPhone here, so I can keep recording on this phone, but it was easy to pair them to my device, recognize it right away. And then this has controls on it, so you can tap this to play and pause music. You can tap it twice to do that. You can tap it 3 times to then go to the next track on something. You can use it to answer phone calls. You can also power on and off the actual earbuds, headphones themselves by holding this, and it has to be more of a longer hold of about 6 seconds, it says there. That's where I needed to open this up, because one of these came on right away and I was not getting anything out of the left one, and realized that it wasn't on, and you have to hold that for a little bit to get that to come up. So I'm just listening to something on YouTube. Actually my own channel with some podcasts here, and spoken word comes through really well. Yeah, I've got the volume pretty much up all the way, and I probably wouldn't have to have it that loud to hear it adequately. Just pausing that. Let me just see. And that worked. That paused the actual podcast there. I'm just gonna go into something with some music on it just to check that out and to get a comparative with something like that. Let's go to. I'm just gonna go into my own page here, and I'm gonna pull up a song called. My Hope is in the Cross. We're going to pull that up here. Let's go. Sounds really clear. Sounds like, frequency wise, everything's there. Yeah, it's great. Pause it again. Another reviewer, I was watching a video. I don't know if it was bass frequencies or more high. I think it was bass. We're saying because of the design, they weren't sure if some of that was coming through as readily. It seems to me, just listening on a couple of things here, that you're not losing any certain frequencies too much by this design. Yeah, you might get a little bit more clarity on certain things if it was right into your ear canal like typical earbuds, but I don't really think it's a whole lot. And what you're trading off is you're getting something that's very portable, very usable for running, exercising, just being active, as people are so much now. If you're mowing the lawn or if you're just working around the house and you want to listen to something, it seems very user friendly for those types of things. And you're also more aware of your surroundings because you don't have such a blockage of like just going right into the ear canal and sort of cutting off those extra noises. I know a lot of times when I'm trying to get somebody's attention who has earbuds in and they're in going into the ear canal, you have to kind of be loud enough for them to hear you over whatever it is they're listening to. And I can feel like with these, you have less of that issue. So I'm impressed. The Sudotack, that's a good fit, feels good. The sounds are good. I really feel like they're onto something here with this design, and I'm gonna keep using them, kind of keep testing them out. But my first impressions with this opening, this unboxing, are that this is a great deal for the money. You're getting a quality product. You're getting something that's gonna give you many years of use. And I hope it's been helpful in terms of going through this and actually seeing it and seeing somebody just kind of discover it right as you are and first impressions of it. So I'm going to go on and listen a little bit more to some music, and hope you guys have been blessed by this. Hopefully it's helpful, and thanks so much to the people at Sudotack for thinking of me and sending these out. Pleasure to test drive these for you guys.